2006 Mercedes S55 5.5 liter supercharged V8. Let's show you guys what we got done on it. We got a catalytic converter right there, stock, into its stock secondaries with an H pipe connecting in between. Then what we did, mid resonator delete right there, and left his stock mufflers out the back. Didn't want it too loud, just wanted to hear the engine a little bit more. What did you guys see, what it sounds like in a second. Always make sure to remember to subscribe and comment your thoughts. Here's sound decibels. One more time. About 94. Nothing too crazy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should it have been a straight pipe? Should it have been just a muffler delete? Or should we have stuck with a resonator delete? Let me know what you guys think. All right, going back it up. If you guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. You can find all our products at exhaustaddicts.com. Germans know how to make a V8, man. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '2006 Mercedes S55 AMG 5.5 liter supercharged V8 with a resonator delete. Sounds good. Let me know what you guys think below. Would you do a resonator delete, a muffler delete, or straight pipe? Comment below, guys. Thank you.